At Dorman, we know replacing failed camshaft phasers is a task that takes a lot of labor. Subpar parts can cause comebacks or engine damage and diagnostic nightmares. But not when you choose Dorman. Why? Because our testing is the most advanced in the industry. We wanted more data than on-car validation could provide, and more severe duty service than even the toughest fleet could deliver. So we challenged our engineers to custom build our own testing apparatus. With it, we are simulating real loads at operating RPMs. We also run as many cold start tests as we can so that customers never hear a rattle.
We built this tester to run the gamut of problems a cam phaser could face. We test for sprocket wear, locking and unlocking performance, leakage rates, and activation time. We use EPA drive cycles for major city and highway use. Our testing simulates actual drive cycles, including cold starts and hard acceleration, using data provided by the EPA to put 50,000 miles of wear on the phaser in just 3 weeks. We're really punishing the phasers and gathering data in a way that no one else can. All this helped us to drive down warranties and increase the number of proprietary OE fixed parts we can offer to improve OEM designs. We test from as few as 100 to up to 7,000 RPM through a full range of oil temperatures. And we use the OEM chain and sprocket to simulate the actual conditions where these parts operate. Real-time data collection means we can tell the phase angle within a degree or so, even when it's spinning at 7,000 RPM. This tester is unique. We own the only one like it in the aftermarket. We have over 13,000 man-hours in this build.
The next time you need a cam phaser, choose a Dorman part. Ours are the best in the business because no one can test them as completely or as quickly as we can.